Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again once more. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, you see? Alright, so in this video, I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I have some information that I'm going to give to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, first things first. I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that the police within the country of Jamaica said that they have located a man who you can see in a video walking with what seems to be a gun. Now, that video is circulating on social media, viewers and subscribers, and in my point of view, the video got a lot of comments. You see? Now, the news article said that the police within the country of Jamaica said that they have not retrieved the gun of your subscribers. See? Yes, I got the understanding that the news article said that the police said that they have not retrieved the gun, even though the news article said that the police said that they have located the man who you can see in a video walking somewhere within the country of Jamaica with what seems to be a gun. And I also saw a video on social media that shows the same man who you can see in a video walking somewhere within the country of Jamaica with what seems to be a gun. In the video, you can hear someone asking the man certain questions. And in my point of view, the man responded to at least one of those questions properly. See? And I'm going to present that video to you, my viewers and subscribers, that shows the same man when someone was asking him certain questions. Yes, so guys, viewers and subscribers, yeah, I'm presenting this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that he said and to also give you a better understanding about the whole situation. All right? Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
The whole world see you today with the rifle. What you want to tell the world, say? What do you have to say?
We don't have to know about nothing more anything to my rifle and can't go lock me up. That's all I have to do.
That's all I tell the world, say.
That's what you say.
You don't give a care about, you don't give a care about nothing, no.
Boy, I'm 20 years now, I'm the foreign urban. I've been wanting police officer to come pray police. I've been wanting police officer now.
Alright, so.
Well, according to the same news article that I read, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding from the news article that the police within the country of Jamaica believe that the man might be of unsound mind. Meaning that the police within the country of Jamaica believe that the man might have mental health issues. So I say, and to be honest, viewers and subscribers, the first time I saw the video that shows the man walking somewhere within the country of Jamaica with what seems to be a gun, I wondered if that man have mental health issues as well when I first saw the video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, have never seen the video that shows the man walking somewhere within the country of Jamaica with what seems to be a gun, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I did about that video that shows the man walking somewhere within the country of Jamaica with what seems to be a gun. Now, in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, and based on some information that I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica are trying to find out if what the man was holding in the video is a real gun or if it is not a real gun. Yeah, it's like the police are trying to find out if what the man was holding on in the video that seems to be a gun, they are trying to find out if it is a illegal firearm or not, or if it is a real gun or not. You understand? But me have to give you the information according to how me get the information, viewers and subscribers. See me? So even though you hear me say gun in the video, right? This video I'm talking about, that don't mean that I'm calling it a gun, because me myself don't know if a real gun. You see me I say? So me I give information according to how I got it. See? Now, I did not get any confirmed information if the man had been brought into police custody. No, I did not. You see me I say? And I want you to please bear in mind that the things that I told you are information that I gave you are according to a news article that I read, viewers and subscribers. I'm not the one who said these things. You see me I say? And I want you to also please bear in mind that this whole situation can develop in ways that me and you, my viewers and subscribers, might not expect. You understand? And you can also let me know what you think about the whole situation as well, and some things that I told you in this video. All right? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, that have been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video has been recorded. The video shows when motorists, along with pedestrians, was not able to use a certain section of a roadway that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica because of flooding that had been caused by rainfall within the country of Jamaica. You see? Now, viewers and subscribers, when I look at the video and see the amount of water that was running on that section of the road that is located somewhere in the country of Jamaica, I wondered to myself if a real rainfall alone caused all of that to happen. You see me? Because sometimes, you know, and just the rainfall alone cause certain places to flood within the country of Jamaica. You know, sometimes a bad drainage and other kind of things as well. You see me? I say, yeah, my people, but you know, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. You can tell me why you think so much water was running at that section of the road that is located within the country of Jamaica. You can tell me what you think overall about the video. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, tell me what you think.
A straight gully.
Yes.
Nobody can cross it. This is the great gully. Yeah.
This
So we're looking at hello. See all blue people over there, yeah? That's how we look up here, yeah?
That's it. You know, listen, got the type of water. Look at some people. You don't even want to go to the process because you feel a landslide.
Nobody can cross it.
Nobody can cross it. I wonder if you remember that thing. Yeah, my people, and I real do. If me ever I drive my motor vehicle, or even if me I walk and see water gush from off the hill and I pass over the road where I so forth, you see me? Me I turn back, you know. Now, I'm not stand up there so too long, my people, because I'm afraid of landslide. What if the water start flow heavier? What if the water start come from other places? You see me, I say, it's dangerous, my people. So me look at it. So me not tan de. As how some Jamaicans might say. Yeah, me not tan de. Yeah, man, but for real still, viewers and subscribers, you know, certain amount of rainfalls that happened within the month of April, the year 2022, caused floodings in quite a number of places within the country of Jamaica. Some of those flooding caused some very bad things to happen within the country of Jamaica, you see? Now, so when it comes on to the situation shown in that video, viewers and subscribers, I did not get any confirmed information about anyone who died as a result of the situation shown in that video. See, yeah, me, Dancehall Skilla, did not get any confirmed information about anyone who died as a result of the situation shown in the video. I'm not saying that it didn't happen, but I didn't get any confirmed information about that. Alright? Anyways, you know, yeah, so I'm gonna left it. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you and the things that I said in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.